Hey guys, do the hustle. Rotogrip's got a brand new hustle. We got the Hustle SOS and the Hustle VIP, the greatest beginner balls on the market. I love me a hustle. I think it's 253, 30 or 35 diff, symmetric ball, plenty of performance for the price. Pros still throw them, I still throw them. I'm a pro, so yeah. But guys at the highest level throw this bowling ball. I'm gonna go back and forth though between the SOS and the VP. The SOS is gonna be our hybrid version. This one reminds me of the Hustle. It looks like an X-ray a little bit, but I can't remember what the black and blue one was called, the one that Belmo threw a lot. We called it something else. I can't say that on on the video, but I am a hustle lover. If you are just getting started, if you're watching this video and you don't have a bowling ball yet and you're looking for one to buy, the Hustle series is the best thing you can buy. First purchase. Oh my gosh. Why is this ball great for beginners? We have the Tropical Surge, but this ball has more hook potential. It's going to be more usable as you start improving your game, because when you first start bowling, you don't really need the high performance $250, $300 ball. You don't. The hustle is where it's at. So the VP is going to be the pearl version of our newest set of hustles. I'm going to call it the Hustle Creamsicle. I like the colors. I like Creamsicle. The SOS also has very nice colors. No 9-pin in that rack, but we're going to bowl anyways. SOS is 4x4x4. VP is 4 3/4 by 4.5 by 5 1/4. So I put the weaker pin and the taller COG, taller layout, as you guys see on the screen, on the cleaner one. As you can see, this one gets down the lane quite a bit further. A little slower. Give her some time to hook. Full bag up. Can we bowl 300 with the best beginner ball on the market? We got 4 in a row here. Let's go back to the SOS. We'll jump all over the lane. These are very versatile bowling balls. I've thrown these on all kinds of patterns. The reason why they're so good for the pros, we bowl at a lot of bowling centers that are just old. The lanes are beat up. That makes the lanes hook a lot. So hustles are good options. They have good numbers for what we like to see. Move a little right here. Woo, the high flush action. I'll move 10 left off of that. If you guys are interested in buying a higher performing bowling ball, the Transform Pearl, coming out around the same time as these, check out that video. I'm giving a Transform Pearl away as well. Go make sure you like that video. So Transform Pearl video like that, 2,000 likes, we're gonna give one away there. We give bowling balls away all the time on the channel, namely on Twitch. So join the Discord. I know it's a lot going on, but just Discord is going to be your hub for all the announcements. When we give balls away, videos come out. If I need help filming at a tournament, that's the spot. That's how it's gonna go. We're not gonna bowl 300 because of a stone 9. So the Pearl one's gonna be a little faster off the spot. It's gonna hook more down lane. It's gonna store more energy because it is all Pearl as opposed to the Hustle SOS, which is 1 part solid, 1 part Pearl, I think. But let's bounce around. I'll show you guys the potential of these bowling balls. It's actually a good 15 left of where we were. These balls can do it all. But when we bowl on the heavier oil conditions, that's where these balls start to struggle a little bit. But when we bowl on high friction lane surfaces, not a lot of oil, the hustles are money. I might bring this hustle around, this VP creamsicle guy with me to the regionals. We do bowl at some places that hook quite a bit. Oh! That was like the exact same hit, but a little deeper. If you guys are enjoying the content so far, appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, definitely check out all the videos. We just try to entertain, we try to educate, we try to make bowling a part of your life. But more importantly, we want you to chase your dreams, show you guys that you can do anything you set your mind to. So, hustle. I've thrown these at a couple of major tournaments. The players this year, not these specific ones, but hustles. Hustle Rip, Hustle X-Ray. Recently at the Duke, they hooked a ton there. And I am blowing on the house shot here, so. Throw a couple more shots and then we'll throw some backup balls. That one needs help. Oh, no, it doesn't. Or it did. That's not bad. Are these good league balls? If you're bowling center hooks a lot, great league balls. If you bowl at South Point and your rev rate is above 400, maybe not so good. But if you bowl at South Point and you like to play 10, yes, absolutely. Hustle SOS. Let's just throw a real nice one here, and then we'll start messing around. That's not bad. That was nice. That was nice. If you're telling me that the hustle is not for you, then you're not for the hustle. It's just a perfect word for a bowling ball too. Hustle. All right, let's throw some backup balls. This is a skill that I'm trying to work on to be able to use on tour because sometimes the lanes just get busted on the right. And when they get really hard on the right, they're probably better on the left. Go, a little. Okay, that hit like absolute dog war. Oh, this rack is bad. Lane 4's got a wide right side rack and a really tight left side rack. So this is a lefty's nightmare. So I'm gonna keep it 1 of 1 and we'll go back to the orange ball. But again, we are bowling on the house shot here. Best bang for your buck bowling ball there is. I kid you not. Look at that. Just look at that. Thank you, thank you. An even guy in back walking by, appreciating hustle creamsicle greatness. But yeah, I don't have a whole lot more to say about these bowling balls. I love the Hustle series. I've been throwing them ever since they came out. I always try to try all the newest ones because you just never know which one's gonna roll good for you. If you guys had to choose a color for the Hustle, what would it be? I would love a solid black one, but shiny. Kind of like the Hustle Link or the Hustle Rip. Those are two of the best hustles that have ever come out in my opinion. But yeah, this has been the Hustle SOS and the Hustle VIP, Hustle VP, Hustle Creamsicle. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Hustle.